Custom colored hair for a custom wig. It's gonna look good in the end, right, Tamora?
Yep.
Cause she got this.
Yep. Mm-hmm. It's gonna be fine.
See, y'all.
Oh, this is.
Y'all getting it.
Right color, didn't it?
I'm looking now. All I'm saying is, if you all are getting y'all wigs made on any of these, quit playing. Please stop playing. That's what you're talking about.
Yeah, I got that one. It's so. Look how light it is.
Right.
This say.
This the other one you talking about, the dark brown one?
Yeah, I got that too. I'm trying
People,
to find
if you are
getting
y'all wigs made on these caps, y'all need your hands slapped because they are not gonna last past 2 seconds.
That's ridiculous.
Hey, and they spending $1,200 on wigs made out of these. Y'all need to.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Y'all need y'all feelings hurt. I just need to take out a whole day and just snap. Here's some.
Where?
Right here. Oh, that's the same thing. Here's more though.
Black.
The wig that you see in front of you is created on an actual breathable wig cap. This is a 13x4 lace frontal that is already sewn onto the breathable cap, as you can see in the picture. This is a silk base frontal with the skin patch on the interior that allows it to look like realistic skin. As you can see up close in this shot here where it's parted, it looks like actual scalp. So we are finished with creating this wig and it looks very nice. We're gonna add a little more color to deepen the color that's in the wig. We are also going to make sure that we layer it out, but this is a very special wig. We are super excited. I would take it off of the mannequin head, but I just lift it up a little bit so that you can see. Let me turn the light over here. It is on one of our wig caps, not a dome cap, not a stocking cap, and if I could just flip it. It's actual on an actual wig cap that has elasticity to it. So once we have completed the finishing touches and it looks good to go, like ready to put on and wear, I will update this video again. So another feature that Remy Girls does offer is we create custom human hair wigs, and we like to use the actual wig caps, not dome caps, not stocking caps, because the quality in it and the longevity of the wig. So if you're looking to have something custom created, this one looks a little crazy right now, of course, but once it's completed, you'll absolutely know the Remy Girls difference when it comes to making a wig. This wig is going to be gorgeous and it's going to a special place, so we're super excited. Today, this little lady is getting, what are we calling this, Tamora? Color corrected? Yes, this wig is getting color corrected. We are going to make her a more violet color. Right now, she's more of a fuchsia color. Yep. I don't know if you can really see it, but we want her to be a pretty violet color. So I am getting ready to color this wig. Try my hands, my skills. Not so much, it's going to be guided by Tamora, but you all get the picture. So stay tuned. Okay, so now the wig is damp, or the hair is damp. The color has been mixed. I have all my pro tools over here. The color. Now we're getting ready to do some color correcting. Pray for me, y'all. Oh, it's a little something. It looks blue under the light.
Do it.
It's just from the camera. It looks blue.
Oh, it showed. What? You should be able to change that.
Yeah. Hey subbies, this is the finished wig. Well, this is the interior part of the finished wig. I don't want to ruin the curls, so just bear with me in my one-handedness. There we are. So this is what a signature wig looks like, where the wefts are separated, the cap is ventilated, and the lace front is sewn on top, where the finished product is flawless. This wig will last for years and years, and if the lace front wears out, we just replace the lace front, recolor the frontal, and sew it back together. Unlike manufactured wigs, where once the hair starts to shed, ventilating is probably more expensive than what the actual wig is worth, and people end up throwing their wigs away. And so this is why we highly recommend a hand sewn wig, and not the hand sewn that your stylist takes a stocking cap and sew your tracks onto one of those dome caps that's just adjustable, and once the elasticity is gone, your wig doesn't fit, and that only lasts for a couple of months. So again, we like to ensure longevity. So this is one of our signature wigs where we actually sit down at a sewing machine and create this beautiful piece. So this signature piece is by Tamora. As you can see, her name is on everything. So this is just how the wig is completed. Unfortunately, I cannot try it on right now, but we will show you some pictures and show you the smiles of the new owner. So thank you again for tuning in. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned to what we do next. So this is the completed wig. Of course, she brands her name.
We'll see what had happened.
See what happened was.
Yeah, it was already on here.
Okay, let me shed some light on her. This is so pretty.
Thank you. Don't make me start dancing.
This is so pretty.
Yeah, a lot of people get commented on it too.
Good. Thank you for walking through our wig journey. I guess that's what I would call it, right, Tamora?
Yep, I think that's a good name for it.
So pretty.